Hello friends, welcome to our channel Mechanical Motivator. In this video, we going to see 13 things which each and every one of us has to avoid in order to become a role model for your co-workers. So if you avoid these 13 things means then your environment, that is your office environment, will be wonderful. So let us see one by one. The first thing is arriving late. Okay, so whenever if you have a meeting or if you want to go to office, so you have to go in a correct time. You should be very punctual. If you go late mean automatically you will be getting tensed and automatically your shirts and it will be keep on sweating, right? So you can't run behind the time, and if any one of them are seeing you in this state means automatically it will be very much irritating to them. And don't be late in case if there is a meeting means if 8 or 10 people are waiting for you, then it will be pouring a negative image on you. The second thing is criticizing co-workers. So in working place, if someone is not doing that much well means you have to call him or her personally and tell it or what mistake they are doing. You should not criticize or dominate them in front of all. If you do means automatically what happens, others will be having a negative image on you, as well as the particular person will be almost got more hurt, okay, because the way you treated them, it might also form a vengeance against you. So try to avoid these such activities or criticizing others in front of all. The third thing is interference. So two or three people are there means if they are talking personally or if they are talking about a particular matter, don't try to involve and try to know what they are talking. Sometimes it will be their own personal and also it will be irritating to them. So always never pop out on what others are doing and try to do whatever work is given to you, so that you will be having a decent image in front of others. Fourth one is saying no. If your superior is giving a work to you, always try to accept with a smiling face and never say no or never refuse to do the work. So always accept the work with a smiling face and try to involve 100% into it and try to complete it then and there. The fifth thing is doing other people's job. If you are brilliant, if you are genius means if people are asking help to you, you try to guide them, but don't do exactly what they want from you or do that work and give to them. So if you keep on doing others work means, I mean apart from doing your work, if you are helping means okay, but you should not keep on completely doing that work. If you are completely doing what they want means automatically they will be keep on depending on you. Okay, so when you are having a work at that time, the same people will be expecting a help from you, so it will be annoying to you. As well as if you say no at that time, then what happens, then there will be a gap between you and that person. So mostly try to guide them, but don't do fully what they want. The sixth one is don't talk about personals. So in office environment, you can talk about the what to say goals or company's achievements or what is your next target. You can talk those two things, but if you keep on talking your personal mean, what happens, the time will be wasted and other person, the people who are working with you, will be getting to know all your personal issues. Sometimes if the person is getting against you means, they will be telling your person, they will be telling your personal things to another person. So automatically there will be a vengeance or what to say, a hard feeling between you and them. So try to avoid to discuss or share your personal thing in office environment. So do your work promptly rather than gossiping, because gossiping means automatically at the end of the day you can have some enjoyment or entertainment, but you can't you won't get anything out of it. Seventh thing is flirting at the office. Never flirt against the opposite gender. If you are doing means, sometimes it will be a threat or danger of losing your job also. And not only job, if other people are saying means, you will be talk of their topic of the day. Okay, so they will be keep on talking about you, and sometimes when you get to hear it, or when you get to know that automatically it will be getting hurt to you. So never flirt on the opposite gender in the working atmosphere. Eighth thing is gossiping. So gossiping in whichever office you are working, people normally used to do. So they will be sharing or telling about you to the another person. But one thing you just keep in your mind: when you gossip something or when you tell talk bad about the another person, the same thing will be done by another person to you, and also you won't get anything out of it. So rather than gossiping about a person, you can do your work better than yesterday. So try to concentrate and do your work accurately, rather than gossiping about a person and having some fun. Okay, so this gossiping is also very bad. On the whole, it won't out of the, I mean, end of the day, you won't get anything out of it, right, other than the enjoyment or entertainment. So try to ignore those things and focus on your work. Ninth one is private life at work. So private life at work is, so in during your working time, don't try to do other activities. Okay, so like eating or making a call to your friend or family. In case if it is personal loan, try to make a call. Unless or until, don't try to use your work time for your leisure times. So do these stuffs during your leisure time alone. The 10th one is talking loudly. So if you see most of the office, it will be an open concert. Okay, so when you talk loudly means automatically what happens? It will be disturbing the another person, and normally no one will be willing to or accepting a person who is talking loudly. So don't try to talk loudly. So be very slow and silent even if you are making a call, or if you are talking about the official work also, you try to reduce your voice so that it won't annoy the other person. 11th one is harassing the co-worker. Okay, harassing the co-worker means in the working atmosphere, don't try to harass the opposite gender or co-worker, because it will be portraying a bad image on you, and as well as sometimes you might also go to jail too. And don't try to treat a person on the basis of religion, caste, and color and all. Automatically what happens is, it will be bringing your image down, and it's not a fruitful improvement, right? So if you are working together, man, automatically these kinds of differences will make the other person getting annoyed about you. So try to avoid these stuffs in your working atmosphere. The 12th one is stealing. So even if it's a pencil or cash, stealing is same. So don't try to do this in your working atmosphere. So once if others come to know this means, then in your lifetime they won't believe you. Even if a rubber is missing also, the name which will be coming in their mind will be yours. So don't try to steal even a small thing also. And it's not good, right? Not only in working atmosphere, wherever you go. So always try to earn whatever you're getting and try to buy whatever you have. Don't try to don't keep on expecting or stealing or other things. 13th one is self pride. Few will be having more self pride, and they will be keep on talking about them too much. Okay, automatic in what happens is, at some point the person who is hearing this will be getting annoyed. Okay, and don't keep on boosting yourself. Actually, if you are doing well means, the other person should tell good about you. If we keep on telling good about us means, it won't have a fruitful discussion, as well as the person won't be interested to know about these stuffs. In a working atmosphere, each one will be, what to say, keep on running and want to finish the task, right? Even if your co-worker, he or she will be in a competition. So don't try to boost your strength in front of others. It will be portraying a negative image on you. You keep on doing your work and keep on chasing your dream, and one particular day you will be achieving whatever you want. If you do all these 13 things in your life, so we have seen around 13 things, right? If you follow all the 13 things in your life, in your working atmosphere, then you will win and you will achieve whatever you dream. And it will be, what to say, the transformation which you can see in yourself will be drastic. And surely everyone everyone in your office or working atmosphere will be liking you, and they will be taking you as your role model if you follow all these steps. So you just follow this and you try to be a leader so that others will start following you. Okay, don't try to follow others, you be what you are, automatically others will start following you. And hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe our channel, and press the bell icon, then only you will be getting all the videos which we upload. We will be uploading videos of all genres like motivation, interesting facts, or unknown facts, and health tips. Various journals will be uploading. Whichever topic you want us to talk, you kindly uh, type in the comment section, and out of these 13 things, which one you like the most. So 13 things I informed in this video. So out of these 13, which one you like the most, you also type that one in the comment section. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.